So when you go back to your mum's house, you're not going to do certain things that you do here there. So forget all of that. Just who are you and what do you need? You know,
present in this particular moment.
Yeah.
I think trying to raise more than when you've got one child or one child to a household, even it's
easier to do that.
Yeah, or not just to be so mindful about who they're. When you've got a group like any teacher or social worker or a kid worker, it's got to be to a degree a military. There's got to be kind of certain universal concepts, and then when there's multiple homes and people are coming from different spaces, you've got to have some kind of standard. But as that's been set, where like I said, people are older and their character has developed, their past their formative years, it is then now. Yeah, we still want to maintain that, but we have to figure out who we're governing in order to know how to govern it, you know? And so that was a big thing I had to learn in this circumstance, where I've come from that Sergeant Bilko. I've had to be a bit more social worker now to figure out who I'm talking to. You know?